How to downgrade or remove iOS 18 to 17 without data loss. So if you want to downgrade or remove iOS 18 to 17 without data loss, then just watch this video. Before we begin the downgrade process, we need to back up our iPhone data. Open the iTunes and click the backup option to create a local backup. Once done, you need to turn off Find My iPhone in your settings, and then we can proceed. So the first method to downgrade your iOS 17 beta is with dback. This is the best data recovery expert that also contains a downgrade feature. Dback is easy to operate. To use, you can just simply go with download and install it on your computer and connect your iPhone to it. After that, go with the top left, which has that iPhone recovery option, and then go with recover from device, which will be in the bottom left, or just simply go with the advanced mode option. Next, you need to just simply go and connect your iOS device to your computer. Go with download, which will be on the right side, and it will download the firmware. Now, as you can see that it says firmware has been downloaded. Once the download is complete, you need to click on Start to Fix, and dback will begin to downgrade your iPhone to iOS 16. This process may take a while, so please be patient. If the download fails, please try a few more times and check if your computer has enough memory. When the process is complete, you will need to set up your iPhone. So this was the method to downgrade or remove iOS 18 to 17 without a data loss. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.